What's up, guys? Listen, I am so excited for today's video for two major reasons. One, because we're at the first cruise night. I remember it this time. First cruise night of the year in Fergus Falls, Minnesota. Lots of really nice cars around us, some classics, some diesel trucks, some performance builds, a lot of stuff. The second reason is because and I say we because I got Carson back here. My friend's a major car enthusiast. We're taking a look at the oddball of the group here. It's exotic. It's the nicest car I've ever looked at on this channel. It's the nicest sounding, the most expensive, just everything. It's just the best car we've looked at on the channel. Sorry everybody before this. It's red and it's Italian. It's none other than the Ferrari F430. Guys, this thing is amazing. I'm Jonathan.
I'm Carson.
And you're watching Tastefully Modified.
Hello, production.
Hey guys, I'm in the middle of editing right now and listening to the interview portion of the video. I'm realizing the audio is pretty inconsistent due to the weather being iffy and then us turning to the car, turning to each other and talking, turning to the camera, all that movement. The audio is pretty inconsistent. Rookie mistake. I should have used clip-on mics. Carson was like, hey bro, let's throw on the clip-on mics for the interview portion. I was like, no, I trust in the iPhone mic. So that was my fault. My bad for that. And then it got a little windy further along in the video, so really should have just used those clip-on mics. My bad, Carson. Should have listened to Carson. But yeah, I was on vacation, so we just kind of threw this video together. I had a limited amount of equipment. I had to bring all my equipment with me, so I shot on my iPhone, which actually didn't come out too bad. But like I said, the audio portion is not that great, so my apologies. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video and that audio mess-up is not too distracting. Back to the video. Alright guys, today I'm here with Cody, who's the owner of this beautiful Ferrari F430. Thank you so much for having us out here and taking a look at your car. So, I mean, there's a lot of cars out there in the world, Cody. Why did you choose a Ferrari, specifically Ferrari F430?
Ferrari's kind of the holy grail if you're a motorsports fan.
Right.
Ferrari, Enzo made road cars kind of against his will.
Yeah.
Because he wanted to fund his race team.
Right,
I always
right.
thought that was kind of cool. And, you know, the 430 is actually it was the first Ferrari I ever drove. One of the dream car things in Vegas. So I fell in love with it there, and I decided one day I was going to buy one. And 6 years ago I did. So.
That is crazy, man. So like you said, Enzo Ferrari, he made cars against his will, trying to fund his race team. So this is pretty much the closest you can get to a street legal race car. Pretty much. What year is it?
This is 2006.
2006.
Okay. You know, it's interesting with Ferraris, you get in and there's no cup holders, there's no cruise control.
Yeah.
The seats aren't terribly comfortable, they're not heated, there's no navigation. Really no features, and that's part of what makes it cool.
Yeah. Sorry guys, we paused because of rain, but it's actually not that bad. It's just water falling from the sky. It's not that deep.
As long as it doesn't hail, we're good.
So 2006 Ferrari F430, kind of the era before cars started getting kind of frou-frou, you know? This is more of a real race car. Yep. You don't got as many like tech bells and whistles, anything like that. But you actually prefer that.
100%. I wanted raw, and I wanted analog, and I wanted naturally aspirated.
Right. Yeah.
I wanted really pissed off loud V8 behind me that makes a lot of noise.
Right.
So I found it with the F430, and it's every time I drive it, I'm kind of just. It's almost surreal to have a car like that.
I know, it's crazy.
The noises it makes.
It's crazy, for real. So on that note, it's not every day you see somebody and they're so casual, like, yeah, I drive a Ferrari, or whatever. So for the people who own the regular traffic cars, like the Toyota Corolla guys, the Crown Vic guys like myself, what is ownership like with a Ferrari F430?
It's stressful. You got to have it daily because, actually I daily drive a Toyota Prius, same year, 2006. I like to really have the dichotomy of the cars, but I mean, I'll say it's stressful. You don't like going and leaving it in parking lots because everyone wants to come look, and that's fine. But then it's like, people rubbing up against it. It's made it 20 years without a single door ding, and I'm always, it's my responsibility owning this car to keep it that way. So it's a little bit of a stress factor to it, but it's whenever it drives an event after 6 years of ownership, every time I get the keys, I still kind of get butterflies and go for a drive.
Right.
And granted, I've put all of maybe 6,000 miles on it in 6 years. So ride occasions.
More than that. That's
so
crazy.
it's got 24,000, 25,000, but I put 6
Yeah.
on, and that's
okay.
to do the math.
Why? I thought it was more mileage. That's really cool though. Yeah.
But I don't really like going down the interstate. It's not that fun.
Yeah.
It doesn't. It's loud. It's all the things I love about it. Also, after 50 miles of interstate driving, I'm like, okay, it kind of. I'm old. My back's starting to hurt. I wish I had cruise control.
Yeah.
My coffee's sitting over on the seat because I'm a cup holder. The radio is not that great.
Yeah.
And also, I don't like getting rock chips and crowds on me from semis. So yeah, I mean, it really doesn't get a lot of miles. I drive it around town. I rip through downtown. I come out to the car shows.
Right.
Give the neighbor kids a ride.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't rack them up. So
yeah. Well,
if you're a normal guy who owns a Ferrari, you
so.
better have something else to drive. Don't daily it.
Right.
I wouldn't recommend it.
So, I guess with that, what is your favorite thing about it?
Sounds. These enormous intake scoops right behind you. You hear the intake sounds.
Yeah.
I have valve exhaust. I can put it in the straight pipe. I run through downtown every gear shift. It crackles and pops.
Yeah. So you said you've owned it for
6 years.
6 years now. What's something you hate about this car?
Stress.
Stress.
The stress of, like I said, just parking at places and.
You're more of a caretaker for it. I think
you kind of feel like a caretaker for it.
Yeah.
I mean, the F430 isn't insanely rare by rare car sales. I mean, about 14,000, but it's still a Ferrari. It's
14,000.
It's relatively rare.
Yeah.
It's, like the next guy told him, like you're taking over. It's a piece of history. Every Ferrari is. You got to keep it in good shape. The repairs aren't cheap, so don't break it.
Yeah. Right.
But maintenance, even as everything, brake pads are more expensive. Solenoids, everything, every part's more expensive because they don't make that.
Yeah. Maintenance wise, I mean, how do you take it somewhere special? You just pop it outside of O'Reilly's, put it up on a jack, and how does that work?
A lot of guys actually work on them themselves. You really can get to everything right in the back, but I've had Red River Motorworks in Moorhead, Minnesota take care of it.
Okay.
So every year I get it in for oil change, just a good once over. I compare it to owning an airplane for airplane people. Like, it's got to have its annual maintenance and inspection, regardless if you put 100 miles on it or. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of every year it's got to have the maintenance done.
Yeah.
These ones actually came a long ways from like the 90s. The earlier Ferraris, you had to do engine out maintenance every few years because they had timing belts. They finally said, we're going to switch to a timing chain. Yeah. So engine out maintenance isn't really a thing, so that helps. They do eat clutches. They have every 15,000 miles or so with the F4 transmission.
Wow. Yeah.
No matter how nice you think you are to it, it just eat clutches.
Right.
And of course, any car has their things. These are known for cracked exhaust manifolds. They're known for engine mounts. I've had both of those things addressed. I put on Capri style headers instead of the stock manifolds. They sound pretty great. Yeah. So grip.
First ride in Ferrari. Let me put my seatbelt on. First thing I'm noticing, man, it is super roomy in here, bro.
Yeah.
Like, you're a pretty tall guy and you're sitting real low and you got headroom.
Yeah, it's roomy once you're in it. Getting in and out, it's hard to look cool because you're so low to the ground.
Right. Oh man, the carbon fiber bits. The interior is so simple.
Simple, but it's just
it's beautiful.
High quality.
Oh man.
It still has the Italian leather smell even 20 years old.
Speedometer says 220.
It's I think they do 196.
Okay.
Before they run out of RPM.
Yeah. All right, so wherever you want to go.
Downtown.
Oh my gosh.
So this is the F430. The next gen was the 458 Italia, which was the last of the naturally aspirated. After that, I went to the 488, and now the 296, which is turbocharged. Turbos are awesome, but there's just something about the analog N8 era of Ferrari that, I mean, it's just nothing like it. There's absolutely nothing like that flat plane.
Yeah, right, exactly. That's a unique sound. And just a lot of car companies in general. I think everybody, this is kind of the last, or that 2006, like, early late 2000s was the last era of like true raw mechanical analog cars.
Yeah, then all the nannies started coming along, the digital everything,
the digital
power
stuff,
steering.
all the overcomplicated technology stuff, all the tech trends and comfort trends. It's like they stopped making real cars. So
yeah, it's all great for your
awesome,
daily
man.
driver, but nothing has the soul
right.
of this.
Exactly. Exactly.
And now you see this latest abomination that Ferrari came out with called the Luce or whatever.
Yeah, how do you feel about that?
Enzo would fire everyone and burn the facility to the ground if he were alive. It's everything that Ferrari is not.
Yeah.
It's a dang bar of soap.
Bar of soap.
Who designed that? Some guy who designed the iPhone design.
Actually, I haven't seen it. I gotta take a look at it.
Yeah, it's disappointing.
I guess I stopped paying attention because everything is just kind of, that's just the main theme these days, just disappointing, you know?
Yep. Downtown's a little busy, but we need some noise. One place I like red lights is when I'm driving this.
Yeah.
'Cause every time I get to rip through first, it's just...
That sound, man.
Yeah, if we get some space between us where we can get
Yeah.
a little bit
There you go,
more.
right there. Oh, yeah.
Guys, that video you saw of me and Cody, the interior shots, that was supposed to be like twice as long, but for some reason that footage got cut off. I don't know if my phone overheated or what happened, but didn't get that. I've been having a lot of problems with this video, guys. I don't know what's going on. But anyways, it was a fun shoot regardless. Cody actually, shortly after we shot the video, like a few days after, he sold it to a guy down in Dallas who he said is gonna swap it to a 6-speed gated manual transmission, which is going to be absolutely crazy. Would love to go down to Dallas and get another video done of that Ferrari after that modification is done. But this won't be the last time we're shooting with Cody. Hopefully I'll have all my equipment next time because he just bought a Porsche 911, which he just swapped the exhaust out for, I forgot what brand, but it sounds way better now. He sent me a video of it. It sounds amazing. So looking forward to shooting with him again. But yeah, guys, like I said, I was on vacation when shooting this, kind of just threw it together. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. But yeah, until next time, see you guys.
Yeah.